Wow, Seanan's package. Are you happy?
It's too heavy.
It's too heavy.
I'm just plugging.
Open it.
Wow. You open it there. Wow. Buti nakadating bago tayo punta Davao. Ano ba ngayon? 16. Wow, on my birthday. Oh, Lankybox Giant Mystery Box. Yung galing US mo ba? Yung gipabili ko sana kay Tita Gingging. Oh, yun. Tapos ako nag-order sa US talaga.
Ayan. Ayan.
Wow! Go! Wow! That's Mommy's gift for you. It's my birthday, but I'm the one who have gift for you.
Ayan.
And also Teacher Wong.
Okay.
Ayan.
Go open. You can do it.
Can I help you?
You cannot.
Oh. Ask for help.
Can I help you?
Almost. Sus, ang smile. Ang smile. Ang smile. Sayang, Daddy cannot see. But it's here. Go.
Wait.
What did you see? Can you share it to me?
Fox and Rocky.
I cannot hear.
Fox and Rocky.
Okay, go.
I just see it.
Sus.
Don't laugh.
Yes.
Don't laugh.
Okay.
Don't laugh. So I will not say what you are laughing at.
Okay.
Like Justin said to Adam.
Ayan.
Wow. It's too heavy. Well, let me see. Come here. Hey.
Ayan.
It's too heavy.
Go, you can do it. Go, you're strong. You're a boy.
I'm not strong enough.
Okay, oh, there.
Wait.
Slowly. Oh!
It's boxy.
It's boxy.
Get one giant mystery box. Get one. What's this?
GID.
GID Ghost Plushie. It's ghosty. It's ghosty. This is a ghost plushie. It's ghosty. I know it. Get one sticky candy. Top surprise. Get mystery squishy. And what's this? I want to read all this.
Yeah.
And what's this? Squishy plush figurines, fun, and more. Look what inside.
Oh, what? Look inside. Go. Show to Daddy first.
Daddy! Ayaw ka mystery box! Mystery box!
Wala na, amaze. Na-excite ako. Nagdating ba?
Yeah.
What's so funny?
Okay. Wow!
Uh-oh. You get it, you get
Okay.
it.
I think this is ghosty.
Sus na lang.
Baby.
Oh. Oh no, you cannot.
Okay. I know this is the puppet.
Oh.
Okay.
Nakita pa dito sa sarong kay.
Yup.
Kailangan na yan.
Let me see.
Already.
Who's that?
Who's that?
Oh, you put Ghosty inside.
Oh, I can open this. This is the boxy puppet. Oh, I know it.
Yeah, okay.
I know it. This is the puppet. I
Yeah.
know it. Okay, okay.
Okay, next.
How about
I
this?
think this is candy or stick. Okay. Okay.
Kira tanan?
Side.
Padala pa. Yeah.
Kailangan, mana pa may
How
shipping.
can you open this?
Tell daddy to open, go.
I cannot.
You have so many gifts.
Okay, okay. Okay.
You have so many gifts.
Gani.
Okay, okay. What is it?
Yeah.
I think this sticker is candy.
Almost.
Look.
So we will not go to Walmart and Target anymore.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And then, where are you going to put that?
Okay.
Inside the car.
No.
Okay,
I will
next.
bring it to.
Okay.
I will bring it
Two left.
to the bowl.
Two left.
3.
Three left.
Three
I will
more.
bring it to the bowl.
Tell mommy na to open, go. Need help.
I need help. Yeah.
And then you picture with them later, okay?
Okay. Okay. Yo, I got the wellness figurine. I got. Whoa, you're lucky! This is the wellness figurine.
Yeah, where is it?
Is your Christmas in happy?
Okay. Okay, that's a squishy. I think that's squishy.
Ay,
Medyo gawin kiss.
It's a boxy figure.
Okay.
It's Boxy Adam. Boxy Adam. Okay. There's three left. Three left. No, there's two left. Two left. Left. I think this is the stickers. Check.
Naabot naman, di kablihan na.
So lucky sticker. Okay. There's just boxy inside it. I thought that's a sticker.
No more?
Is
There's
that-
still one more.
No.
Last one.
Wait, wait. I
Yes,
think
wait,
that's
Seanan.
squishy. Wait. Three, there's three. There's no more.
There's still one more. Here.
Okay, this is a squishy. Yeah. Wait.
What's that?
It's boxy! Boxy squishy.
Let me see. Show it to me.
Wow.
Bad smell?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Okay.
Okay.
Ay, sus, ay, masulod pala siya.
Oh, so you're boxy now.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm boxy.
Let me see. Seanan the boxy boy.
Ay, wala yan. What? I don't know.
Water.
There's water inside?
Yeah. Look. Okay. Let's squeeze it. This is sticky. This is ghosty. And I'll close this one. And this is canny. And this is the boxy squishy. Look, there's water inside it. And then there's the boxy figurine. And I got the Wellis figurine. Royal one.
And how about this one?
This is the helmet.
How about this one?
And then also this is the boxy puppet. Okay? And then
Okay.
also you can be boxy.
Wow. Boxy Seanan. So are you happy with your toys?
Yes.
So what are you going to say to Justine and Adam?
Thank you, Justin and Adam. They are the best YouTuber in the whole wide world.
Oh, they are the best YouTuber in the whole wide world?
Yeah.
Wow.